Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to draw this part in Onshape. Not too complicated, just a couple sketches and the whole. Let me start a new part studio here and let's take a look at our drawing. I'm actually going to start by just drawing a rectangle on the bottom and then putting in these notches here and here, right? So that's just going to be a simple sketch, simple rectangle, and we'll go from there. So I'm over in my sketch. I'm going to hit S for the shortcut key, sketch plane there, and to normalize my view, S again, center point rectangle, pull it out, click. I'm going to switch to a corner rectangle. We'll put one there. We'll put one there, right? D for dimension, or pull up that shortcut, and then let's put on our side measurement. So this one's 2.24, enter. This one here is 3.78, enter. Right, so when I'm looking at my sketch again, I have these notches and then I have the placement, right? So to fully define my sketch, I need to make sure I have all these dimensions in there. So this one here was 0.76. This one here, whoops, he's clicked on the plane line there. Let's get rid of that. This one here is 1. This one is 1.14. And this one is 0.54. And then we're still undefined. We still have this line here. And looking at our sketch, the dimension is given to us over here with the spacing from the corner. So we're going to go from here to here is 1. All right. Fully defined sketch. We can hit that check mark. Shift 7 just so I can see what I'm doing here because I'm going to extrude just this part. And according to my drawing sheet, it goes up 2. So over here, we're going to go up 2. And I like things symmetric, so I'm going to hit symmetric. So starting off here, let's turn off the origin too while we're at it. Starting off here, it doesn't look at all like our sketch. We are missing some stuff still, obviously, but we're moving right along. Let's go ahead and get this angle part in here, which I'm going to do with a sketch on this plane. And I'll get this whole placement as well. So go ahead and start a sketch on this plane, and to normalize my view, and then I'll use the use button. I need the tops and this side actually, and then all I need is a line here to here. And then if I look at my drawing sheet again, I'm starting to get some placement of things. This guy up here, that point is 0.5 away, and then my 45 degrees. So if I hit D for dimension here to here, I'm not in my sketch. 0.5, and then this angle is 45. That's there for the slice to get rid of that, but let's place the point for our hole. And then I can look over here again and get my placement. 0.62 and 0.76. Back over here. Dimension here to here is 0.76. And this guy is 0.62. We have our placement of our hole. We have fully defined sketch, so I can go back in here, I can extrude, remove, let's remove that guy up there, and we'll change it to through all. Look at that. Moving right along, we'll do the hole last. So the last thing is, before we do the hole, is these notches in the corners. So we'll do the same thing, but this time we'll do a sketch on the back. So sketch over here, and to normalize my view, and I'm just going to draw some lines after I do that use button again. Use button to get those projected onto the plane, right? Use button. Line. This one's just a straight line here. And then this one here is down and then horizontal. Make sure you get that horizontal constraint still on there. And then let's throw in our dimension. So this line over here is 45 degrees. 0.74 away, and this one's going to be 30 degrees with this one being 0.74 down. Let's not forget that distance there either. So over here, dimension This one is 0.74, enter, at 45 degrees. And this one is 30 degrees, with this distance being 0.74. Not fully defined yet because we need this distance here as 1.12. Enter. There you go, fully defined. Check mark. Let's extrude, remove that corner, through all, check mark. Now look at what we got going. Almost there, just missing our hole. So we made our point before, it was sketch 2. Let's turn sketch 2 back on real quick. We'll do the hole over there. And I've drawn this already, so it's already loaded in there. But if you look, we're at 0.625 diameter, 1.25 deep. 0.625 diameter, 1.25 deep. Check mark. There it is. Let's turn that off. And there's our part. Nice and simple. Got all our dimensions. We're fully defined. Not too bad. Good luck, have fun.